So this is what it looks like on the front, and you can see that there is a tassel here, and there is a button, but not really a button, it's just a fake one. I just put it there to hide the magnetic button, which is here. And then I attach the magnetic button onto the crocheted item and also the lining, and then I stick another piece of the white lining in there so that it will not scratch up the lining outside, so that once you feel it inside, it's still smooth. I haven't sewn the lining yet because I want to show you the lining that I inserted here. It's similar to hard felt cloth, but only a little bit thinner. And then I added a different color of lining, which is a bit shiny here. I like this project because I love the two colors of Moroccan tile stitch. You can either put different colors in there, but I like two colors only. One that is popping out and the other one the main color here. If you check the bottom part of this bag, I just what I did to close this up was I joined both ends and then did one single crochet in every stitch, and so it looks like one round of half double crochets around. But you know, when I started with this stitch, I just went ahead and chaining up multiple of 3 chains, and then after that I joined the ring and then work half double crochet in each stitch. And then once you work from the bottom to the top, that's where you end, because at the end of your last row of these stitches of white color here, you might wanna do one single crochet in every stitch on the second round, and if you have the ring, you can add it or insert it in there on the third round, and then 2 more rounds of it. Now once you have the 2 more rounds, that's the time that you can go back on the bottom part of the bag and then turn it inside out, and then close the bottom part by working on one single crochet in both of these sides. Then after that, I made this part. This is a half circle, so when you make a beanie and you work with the circle, your starting chain would be 12. But if you're making a half circle, you either chain 4 and close the ring, or you can make a magic ring and then just double crochet 6, and then in the next round 2 double crochets in every stitch. On the third round, you're gonna make an increase by simply chaining up 3 when you turn, and then 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, and then 1, and then the next 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet in the next, and then the third one, after turning and then chaining 3, 1 double crochet in the same, 1, 1, 2 double crochet, 1, 1. It's the same thing with when you're making a beanie, only you're gonna make an increase in every round. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rounds, and then the final one is 1 single crochet and then also an increase 10 rounds, and then after you do the 10 rounds you're going to make a slip stitch to attach the flap here on the other side of the purse. And then after making a slip stitch here, that's when you're going to work crab stitch from here going around here. I also have a pattern of the phone pouch and the purse in my previous video. All you need to do is, when you want to come up with a certain size of the purse that you want, all you do is just chain up 3 multiples of 3 until you get to the desired width, and by doing that you're gonna join the ring, and then that's when you're going to work either a single crochet, half double crochet, or double crochet. So the bottom of the bag will determine the how flat or how wide it's gonna be. If it's gonna be a double crochet, it's gonna be a bit wider. And this one looks like you worked a half double crochet in oval, but it's not. You closed it up in the bottom by joining them with single crochets. Yes. And with the button, I just made a magic ring and then chain 1 and did 6 single crochets, and then I didn't slip stitch. I just went ahead and made another increase, 2 single crochets in every stitch, until I get to this part where I stopped at 12 single crochets and then did a crab stitch around. And then I didn't fasten off. I tried to leave a long tail so that I could attach the tassel here. Now for some of you who would like me to show the tutorial on this, do not worry, because I'm about to put up another video on how to make the whole thing. I'm not sure if lining will be included, but hopefully I get to finish it in a week or so. Okay, so yeah, I'm still about to make the strap, and I'm gonna update you about how I made the strap. So thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.